What's up, YouTube? We back working on this piece of crap, beat up $1,000 BMW 2006 X5. So this car's been falling apart, y'all. Look at this. Look at the wires falling apart. Look at them wires. So check it out. Today we're gonna see all this right here. All this right here. It's a coolant leak, y'all. So I gotta try to figure out where and why is this leaking coolant. Everything on this car is new. New pulley. New water pump. New radiator. New upper radiator hose. New lower radiator hose. Everything is new that was put on this car. I don't know why it's leaking. Now, maybe it's because I went El Cheapo and bought the parts off eBay and Amazon. Look at the damn. Look at this. Look at this. This is just ridiculous. It's not supposed to be like that. But anyway, I got the water pump and the radiator hoses and all that. I think I got them off of eBay or Amazon. Maybe that wasn't the way to go. Don't know. Don't care. Well, do care. But so yeah, we got a leak and we're trying to find out where the leak is coming from. So like I said, it's a new water pump, new upper pulley, new upper hose, lower hose. So it should not be leaking. Everything's brand new. But as you can see, it's leaking. So what did I do? Went back to Amazon and bought a kit so we could see. We can find our leak. We can see where we leak it from. Check it out, y'all. Got this kit off of Amazon. I think like $40, $30, $40. It's a pump. Add pressure to the system so it'll expose the leak. Because I'm not sure exactly where it's leaking from, so what I'm gonna do is use this kit and add pressure to the system. Make sure you got fluid in there though. Let's see, yeah, fluid not coming to, it did come to the top, but can add a little more in there. It's kind of low. So what that kit does is you add pressure to the system, and under pressure it'll make it leak more, so you can see where the leak's coming from. At least that's how I'm hoping it goes. So add some fluid. I had a little bit of coolant left, but I used it all, so now I'm adding water. Which the coolant I got, you mix with water anyway, so it's not just straight water. I already added the coolant. It was concentrate, so you mix the concentrate with water. Alright. Then you connect that pump it up. You gotta figure out which one of these caps fits your car. That I'm not sure. Let me see. First try. First try. Oh, it fit. Now let's see if it works. It's not tightening. It fit, but it's not tightening, so let's see. Oh wait, it is tightening, okay. Let's see if it holds pressure. There'll be a link in the link down below for this kit if you're interested in this kit. Let's see how it works. I had decent reviews on Amazon, so take the cap, screw it on. For us BMW owners, screw it on. Then you connect this as I just did, and then you pump this bad boy up and see how much See, pump it up so add pressure, and then you see where the leak is coming from. So let's see. Okay, so I've added pressure. As you can see, that's about 7 psi. Now I want to wait and see if it holds. If it holds 7 psi, or if it goes down. If it goes down, then you know you got a leak. If it don't go down, then you know you don't got a leak. So I'm gonna wait a few minutes and see if it holds this pressure, and if it does, then I know I don't have a leak. But it's coming. I already know I got a leak because I see all that blue stuff. That's dry coolant. But we're gonna wait and see if the pressure go down. See if it's how bad of a leak it is. The faster it go down, the worse the leak is. The slower it go down, then you got a slow leak. Oh, matter of fact, yeah, it's going down already. I can see it. It's going down slow, so I think I got a slow leak. It's going down real slow. But I'm gonna wait a few minutes and check back and let y'all see. Okay, it's been a couple minutes, and as you can see, I pumped it up to 7, and now it's at about 5.5 psi. About 5.5, a little less than 6. So you got a slow leak. The question is from where. Like I said, these hoses is new, but let's look underneath the car, see if we see anything dripping. Oh look, got a drip underneath the car. It's dripping, so we can see that. We can see that we got a drip. Now where's that drip coming from? That's the question. We got a drip. The question is, where is it coming from? So that's what we gotta find. We gotta find that leak. And let's see. Let me squeeze this. Let me squeeze this lower hose and see if I fail to see anything. It's dry down there. It's dry right there. Underneath the lower radiator hose. It's dry. So it's not leaking there. Let me squeeze this top one. Let me see how this top one is. Let me see. I think it may be this top one. Let me see. It's a little wet right there. And I can feel it when I squeeze it. I can feel like it's leaking. It feels like I can feel like a bubbling sensation on this top one. Oh yeah, it's leaking. I don't know if y'all can see it. Hold on, let me move this fan out the way. It's leaking right onto the belt. Let me see. Look at the belt. You see the belt? See how it's wet? Alright, so we found one leak. Look at that belt. See how wet it is? So we got the upper radiator hose is leaking onto the belt. Alright. Alright, so yeah, you see the belt? See those? How it's dry in the middle and it's wet on the sides? Alright, so it's a pretty decent kit. What's the name of it? I don't know how you say that. For juice, Vegas, for goose, I don't fucking know. Vegas kid's pretty decent. You can see now, look, it's under 5 psi. So yeah, we got a leak. But is that the drip underneath the bottom? See it dripping? So I'm guessing that's the drip that's coming from the top going down to the bottom. I'm guessing. Alright, so shit, I guess I gotta order another upper radiator hose, which is crazy because this is a brand new hose. Should not be leaking. But yeah, it can't work good, y'all. So as you can see, we got a leak, and we got a leak from the upper radiator hose. Gotta go underneath and look under the bottom and see if there's another leak somewhere on the bottom too. Cause I don't see how much is leaking from the top, but the bottom is steady dripping. Which I don't see that coming from the top. I don't see a steady drip from the top, but it's steady dripping at the bottom. Yeah, the bottom is still dripping, so it's possible we got more than one leak. So it's a possibility we got more than one leak on this car, because I don't think the upper radiator hose is leaking that bad. The way it's leaking at the bottom, unless it's running down, I can't see it running down. But yeah, so we got a leak on the bottom, and look like we got a leak on the top. But yeah, this is my punk ass $1,000 beat up BMW. We got a million leaks, got misfires, got all kinds of issues. So yeah, but that's this kit, and that's how you find a leak on your piece of crap BMW. Scratched the tool up already. But yeah, so that's how you find a leak on your punk ass BMW. With a $40 Amazon kit. But yeah, y'all, stop uploading more. Look like we may have a valve cover leak too. See all that? It looks kind of wet. See that? Looks like oil. May have a valve cover leak. Yeah, this car need work. But yeah, that's it, y'all. We found the leak, at least one of them. And next I'm gonna be doing fuel injectors. I'm gonna do that probably tomorrow, so I'll upload another video tomorrow. But yeah, this is how you find a valve cover leak on your, a coolant leak on your beat up BMW. Signing out.